Hello and welcome to OnceHub Tutorials. My name is Vaibhavi and today I'll walk you through how you can configure the versatile specialist setup to our new booking calendars. This setup is for professionals who offer multiple services such as an initial consultation, a follow-up session or a technical audit, all with the same host and a meeting location. In the classic system, this was typically set up in one of two ways. Either using a master page with a event type first scenario or a single booking page with multiple event types where guests first selected the service and then they chose a time. With booking calendars, this structure changes slightly. Each service becomes its own booking calendar and we group them together using a booking hub. This creates the same service first experience for your clients while giving you more flexibility to customize each service individually. Let's see how you can set this up. Now, after you have logged in into your OnceHub account, we need to understand one thing, that since all these services share the same host, availability and location, will configure these settings in our user profile. So for this, we will click the profile icon and select schedule meeting availability. From here, we'll go to edit weekly working hours. Now here you will set up your weekly hours and your meeting location. Now I have already set it up from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. You can do it according to your availability. Next, we need to confirm our meeting location. Because these meetings will be virtual, you just need to click on this option to enable it and then click on apply. Once this is configured, all booking calendars that we create from now on will automatically inherit these settings. Now we will set up our booking calendars. Let's go to the home page and from here go to booking calendars and we'll create a new booking calendar and give it a name. Let's call it initial consultation and click on create. The very first thing we'll set up is duration. So just click on the drop down button and we want this to be 15 minutes. The next thing we'll select is the host and co-host. Click on the drop down button, select your user profile and click on add. Now in the availability and location section, we can see that the calendar is already retrieving the settings from our user profile which we configured earlier. So for this setup, we will keep it that way. Next, we will set up our session type. Make sure that this is selected as single session, that is one-on-one session. That's it for this particular service. We'll just now click on save. Now we will repeat this process for the other services as well. We need to create 3 services in total for this particular use case. So I will create those 2 services and then we will move forward. Now I have repeated that process and created 3 booking calendars. That is initial consultation, which is for 15 minutes, follow-up session, which is for 45 minutes, and technical audit, which is for 90 minutes. Each booking calendar represents one service that your guest can book from. Now we will combine these services into a single menu using a booking hub. For this, we will go to booking hub section and click on create booking hubs. We will give this a name. For example, select a service and click on create. Now we will add the 3 booking calendars that we created earlier and click on apply. Once you have added it, you can change the layout over here and even add an image and a description to the booking calendars. So I will quickly do that and then we will move forward. Now I have adjusted the appearance and the order of services in the booking hub. Now we will move on to the next tab, which is the page designer tab. Over here you can control the layout and how your booking hub will appear. Here you can add your branding, you can upload images, you can adjust colors and customize the layout accordingly. You can also edit your booking hub URL. You just need to go to the page URL section in the top right corner and click on customize URL. You can customize these stuff according to your services. For now, I am keeping it select a service and click on save. Now, before you replace your old link with this new setup, we need to test the booking experience. For this, we will open the booking hub in a new browser. Now, once we have opened it, you can see the layout. It feels quite clean and structured. We need to confirm certain things and validate the link before we replace it with our existing links. First, we need to confirm that the services are available and appear as we have configured them. That is the initial consultation, the follow-up session, and the technical audit. Next, we need to select a service, let's say initial consultation, and see whether the duration and location mentioned is correct or not, whether the time slots that are available and the availability throughout the week is mentioned correctly or not. From here, you can go ahead and even schedule a meeting to see whether you receive the correct meeting details in your email and SMS notifications. Once verified, you can replace your old booking page with event types link with this new booking hub link and disable the old setup. And that's it. You have successfully configured your event type setup to booking calendars and a booking hub. Your client can choose from a clear menu of services, and each service can be customized with its own duration, form, and notification. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.